PIP is a tool used with Python that helps you easily download, install, and manage additional software packages created by other developers. It allows you to quickly add new functionalities and features to your Python programs by installing pre-built code modules without having to write anything from scratch. So let's learn the installation process of PIP on Ubuntu to boost our workflow. But hold on, before installing anything new, we must update the Linux package index with the command sudo apt update. The system is updated. Now for the installation, execute the command sudo apt install python 3-pip and hit enter. Press Y to continue. You can see pip is successfully installed. To validate the existence of pip, type pip 3 -- version. Here you can see the pip version 22.0.2 and here you can see the path. With the command pip 3 -- help, you can see all the supportive pip command. Now imagine you want to install a pip package scrapy. For that, type pip 3 install scrapy and hit enter. Scrapy is installing. To verify, type pip 3 list. Scroll up. Here we can see Scrapy is in the list. You can also uninstall the package with the command pip 3 uninstall Scrapy. Press Y to continue. Sorry, mistakenly I pressed T. Again Y to continue. And you can see successfully uninstalled Scrapy 2.10.0. So this is it. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.